Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tylisha Shantuan, and if you are new here, welcome. If you are oldie but goodie, welcome back. I am here to share with you a brow tutorial that I should have shared with you guys so long ago, but I felt like today would be a great day to go ahead and hit you guys with something new. If you are interested in seeing how I did these brows, stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to start out with is we're going to set our brows first. So I'm super oily. I get oily really fast, especially in this part of my face. Well, really my T-zone, but like around my eyebrows is where you can see a lot of the oil. So the first thing we're going to do is start off with setting it with the Mercier translucent powder and translucent honey. So we just gonna dab that around my eyebrows just a little bit. Just to help block some of that oil that can show up later on. Cause I know I got time for that. You can probably already start to see just that fast the oil already trying to come up on my brows. So once I finish setting my brows, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna brush them. Get some water to them. And I've already had my eyebrows microbladed. They probably need to be redone, but like you can pretty much still see like the ink. Once we do that, then we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. And I use the color Ebony. I just use an angled brush. So it's like a pomade. So basically, all I do is just take it and dip my brush in it like that. I don't really do that whole hair light strokes. I just really baby it. So I line the bottom first, and I like to bring my brow down towards my nose a little bit, and then I bring the tail down to line up with the corner of my eye. Not a lot, but just a little bit. And I just fill it in, basically. And I get my eyebrows threaded. I prefer threading over wax. So I just got them threaded, I think on Saturday. So it's been 4 days. And you know, however you get the pomade on, it's fine, because you're gonna go back in and you're going to put concealer on to carve them out and make them look neat. So I do try to square up the front of my brows. So we just go in and do the same thing to the other one. And my eyebrows are not the same on both sides. One has more of an arch than the other one. One is shorter than the other one. And one is thicker than the other one. But that's okay. The point is to just try to make them look as close to the same as you can. What is it? They're supposed to be cousins, not sisters, or something like that. And the good thing about having them microbladed already is you kind of just follow the outline that you already have. So really just filling them in. And like I said, the concealer is what will clean them up and make them look more neat, because as you can see, they're not really neat at the front. And I just go back and take my little spoolie brush, and then you just kind of like brush them up. And that way you can smooth out any harsh lines. So as you can see, like I've come down too far on this one, or not far enough on this one. So we'll be able to fix that once we get our concealer on and see what we're left working with. So I still use the Old Faithful for concealer. I still use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I like that for my eyebrows. Everything else is just like not thick enough. This is thick. So I just take a different angle brush, which is a bigger one. I like to take the tip and I smooth it out like that, so that it's flat. That way you can get right up against the brow line. So I just take it and I just follow the line. Bring the product down towards your eye. And I don't talk much whenever I'm doing this because it takes concentration to get these lines right. And then whatever is left over on my brush, I take and I go over the top. A lot of people don't like to do the top line, which that's why I don't add more product, but I just carve out the whole brow. And then I just bring the top down so that my tail kind of like angles out a little bit. And then you'll buff this out too. So you want it on. And then as far as the front, I smooth this out by bringing the product. Just so it's not such a harsh square in the front. So in order to buff out some of the concealer and smooth it out, I just take my blender and smooth it out. So it don't look so harsh. So if I miss any spots, then I just go back in with my pomade that's remaining on the brush. And I just fill in it by. And there we go. So one down. Let's go for the second one. And y'all, it took me some time to perfect these brows. It took me a minute. I've been probably feeling in my eyebrows since heavy. Probably since college, I guess. That was years ago. So I kind of perfected my brows. I done been through some changes. They done been hella skinny. I have been hella thin before. Now we got some thickness to them now. We need thickness on this big face that I got. See, my eyebrows are not exactly the same on both sides. Like, this one doesn't have as high of an arch as this one. Which, and I can only raise this eyebrow. I can't really raise this eyebrow. So that's probably why the arch is so high on this one. Go down right down the middle. So then I just go through and then I make sure that they're even in the middle. Looks like I need to bring this one down to match this one. So then the last thing that I like to go in and do is darken up like this part of my brow. I guess it's like the inner brow, I guess. So in order to do that, then I like to use my Morphe palette, which is the Glamabronze in the color Leader. This. So I just take my fluffy brush like that, and I just tap it in there just a little bit, and then I just work it because I want to bring my brows into my nose. To give it more of an angle. That's it. Pretty much it. I mean, you know, when you just want to put you on some quick brows. So that's how I do my brows. I think they look good. I'm not really gonna put on no makeup or anything because I ain't going nowhere. I just wanted to show you guys what my brows were looking like. But that is my brow tutorial. I wanted to share with you guys. I know I should have done this a while ago, probably when I did my first makeup video, but better late than never. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching, and thank you so much for your support and subscribing to my channel. So yes, if you have not subscribed, make sure you go right down there and hit that subscribe button and share with all of your friends and help your girl get on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I will see you guys in the next one.